The program on the Taro improvement program, this whole thing started because back in '93, Samoa was hit by the most serious disease of taro, known as the taro leaf blight disease, and it devastated the taro in Samoa. It wiped out a major export industry of Samoa worth, I would say, more than 20 million at the time. This program that's we're conducting in the country, which is also being conducted in Fiji and Tonga, is really to prepare ourselves in the event the disease would arrive in the country. And we have done one cycle of breeding already, crossing selected varieties from the Samoa breeding program. To my understanding, we introduced about 13 varieties from Samoa. And so we made some crosses with the Samoa and some, I think about 11 varieties of taro from here. And in total, we did 18 crosses. And out of the 18 crosses, we came up with 1,312 plants or progenies or offsprings. In August through to September, we selected the plants from the progenies. These are the plants that we plan to continue propagating and continue evaluating over the next year or so. And we've selected about 350 plants, and we need to continue bringing that number down. And so that's where we are at this stage. From that, we plan to do another cycle of breeding. The initial support came from the OS8 project, and in most recent times, support has also come from the Food and Agriculture Organization project through the International Treaty for Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture. Taro is our most important crop, and a lot of us know that. Likewise in Samoa, Fiji as well. Taro is very important as a staple food source. We don't have any exports like Fiji and Samoa, but there is a huge demand on the local market. In fact, we can't even meet the demand for local taro. Likewise in the outer islands. So there's a huge market there, and there is a huge gap that needs to be filled in terms of fresh taro on the local market. Our local varieties are excellent in eating, and we still encourage our farmers to continue growing our old varieties and the current varieties that they're growing. And the real purpose of this breeding program really is to prepare ourselves in the event that the disease would arrive in the country, because none of the varieties that we're growing will stand the disease.